Okay, so now my fried egg and potted meat sandwich is done. And these are good. It's like a grilled cheese sandwich with a little ham on it. And then I have, let me move it just for 1 minute. I have one left. So what I like, I prefer 2 sandwiches and dinner. And then I do eat cereal. Usually I eat cereal in the middle of the night. And then, so then I can just slip this one in the refrigerator and then I can eat it when I get hungry. When you make your stuff at home, it's good. And you know what is really good if you can afford it is the big bottles of ketchup. Let me get my food back over here in case you didn't see the last one. So I bought this food at Walmart for $5.58. And this is actually a lot of food. It really is. Okay, now let me take a bite of my sandwich and I'll tell you how it is. This is what I do. I'd say there's enough for 3 sandwiches in here. And then, you know, here's my green tea. I think it's very important to teach your children survival skills. You know, hopefully they will never need it. But this is kind of cute, you know. My son will enjoy it. Okay, you guys, I will be back. God bless you all.